Beneath the shadow of the Qingliu Mountains, where the Wei River carves its ancient path, time crystallizes into traditions. Here in Shanxi, China's cultural bedrock, intangible cultural heritage breathes through the hands of artisans. These are not relics of the past, but living chronicles, pulsating with the heartbeat of the Yellow Earth Plateau.
Uh, 2025 is snake year.
I'm born in
Shadow puppetry. Sculpted from translucent donkey hide, each figure emerges under chisels and dies, joints articulated to mimic human grace.
这些在以前，这些老艺人就是靠这个养家糊口。腿上的
Behind a linen screen, puppeteers animate epics. Fingers dance to the thrum of banhu fiddles and clanging gongs. Pyrography. Using heated irons, masters scourge narratives onto birch or bamboo. Temperature dictates hue, amber for mountains, obsidian for calligraphy. A thorough dynamics of artistry.
I really enjoy the process of this Laohua, which is a Chinese traditional intangible cultural heritage. And for the first thing, I traced this flower with a carbon paper. Then I traced it out with a soldering iron. So it's very good, and I would love to try this once again. Thank you.
Paper cutting. Scissors flash crimson, spiraling in double happiness symbols. Mythical beasts and harvest gods. Bold contours reject delicacy. These are talismans of the lowest plateau. Fierce as winter winds. Clay whistles. River clay, kneaded and kiln-fired, becomes hollow figurines. Tigers, owls, babies, a blowhole pierces each belly, releasing pitches mimicking birds or breathers.